Hello everyone, welcome to My Machines. This is the unboxing of the 70 MAI dashcam A510 model. So I've opened it already in the box, and here is the SD card of 256 GB, which will give about 40 to 44 hours of recording, and we have a CPL filter so that we don't have glare while driving with the high beams and everything. This is the Sentry mode OBD to connect the cable so that I don't have to splice through any of the wirings or do any kind of piggyback to the fuse box. This is the bill, about 19,000. This is the main product, as you can see. 70 MEI, a dashcam A510 set meaning dual channel record. It has dual channel front and rear. So this has it's made in China. This has parking surveillance. This cable is for the parking surveillance. Okay. Then it has GPS, ADAS, and literally some Sony StarVis 2 is the main contrast of this product. This is the budget product which has the StarVis 2 sensor. So let's open the product and see. All right, let's get a knife. Yay! Yes. Let's do this. What? Look at this. Okay. Now let me cut and put the knife back in. Right. Okay. There is the dashcam, and now like this. Okay. Okay, yes. All right, so we have something here. We have lots and lots of books to read if you are a studious person. Here is something for you to read. Happy reading. This is instruction manual. This I need. We have anti-static stickers and some two-way stickers. I think it's like, let's see, I am not sure. Let's see. Okay. It does not want to come out of the box. All right. So this is the product. This rotates. This thing rotates. All right. The filter sits here. Okay. So the dash. I think the dual-sided sticker sits here. Okay. Anyways, nice to know. Looks good. Looks sturdy. They have a covering on this. There is button 1, button 2, power button. Okay, there are 4 buttons. There is a power button, and not able to make out what this AV. I don't know. I'm not sure what AV. Oh, sorry, it is AV in. Oh, all right. This is AV in. This is DC in. This is the SD card. All right. Yeah, that's nice. This is the back camera. Here is the connection for the back camera. They already have a two-sided sticker on this. I'm not sure if it is available here as well. No, there's already a two-sided sticker, two-way sticker on this. Great. And even this rotates to adjust your angle. Let's see what we have here. Probably some cables. Okay, there is a pry bar. Nice. Oh, this already comes with a double-sided sticker. There is an extra one. Okay, that's a nice thing. So this fits like this or like this. Okay, this fits like this. Cool. That's cool. Okay. Yeah. Quite a long wire. This is from the front cam to back cam wire, and This is the main power socket, so you need to get a cigar lighter power socket, and this is type C. Great, let's open this and check what it is exactly. The Sentry wiring. Cutoff voltage, some kind of settings that have been given, mentioned in this. So this is the wire, actual wire. It has 3 pins, just 3 pins, and it has a controller. So I'm not sure, maybe it is okay, number of hours to record. How many hours you want to record, you have to turn it on. It's given here. So this is basically OBD2. We plug it into the OBD2 socket, and then you give this thing to the the camera, sorry. Yeah. And let's open the CPL filter as well. Okay, there are wipes, okay, and there is I don't know, some instructions probably. Yeah, it's instructions. Okay, that is the box of the filter. Oh. You can see it's quite small, and I think it just fits on this. I'm not sure. There's a marking on it. There is a small marking on it. If you can see, there's a white dot or a white arrow mark basically. This has to go somewhere specific probably. I'll just look it up in the instructions, then fix it. All right, that's all. And this is the 256 GB memory card. Thank you very much for watching the video. Drive safe.